Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set Digit to save for subscription fees. If you have recurring subscription services like Netflix, Spotify, or cloud storage, Digit can help you to save for these monthly or yearly expenses way ahead of time. And here's how to set up a saving goal specifically for subscription. First, open the Digit app. Launch the Digit app on your mobile device, or you can of course choose to sign in via the web browser. Once you're in, tap Create Goal. So from the main dashboard, tap on the plus sign, or you can just find the Create Goal button to start a new savings goal. Next, you're going to choose a goal name. So name your goal something like monthly subscriptions, or you could get specific with names like Netflix annual fee, Spotify monthly subscription, or things like that to just keep it organized. Next, set the goal amount and deadline. So now just enter exactly how much you need for the subscription. Could be 120 for an annual service or whatever else it is. Just go ahead and enter the amount. And you're also going to need to choose a deadline that matches the next billing cycle or renewal date. Once that's done, link a bank account. Digit will ask you to link a checking account if it hasn't been done already, to pull savings from automatically. Once that's done, enable automatic savings. Digit will analyze your spending habits and automatically set aside small amounts towards this goal without overdrafting your account. Next, monitor progress. You can watch your subscription savings grow over time, and you can also track exactly how much has been saved as well as how close you are to your goal from the home dashboard. Use the funds when needed. So when the subscription is due, you can just transfer the saved amount back to your checking account to cover the charge. By saving a little at a time, you can ensure that recurring subscription fees are never a surprise or a burden. It's an easy way to stay prepared for recurring expenses with absolutely no stress. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.